Papa.
Papa, what is it? What is it?
Come on, down.
I don't like okay, Papa. You know, Papa, Papa, Polo, Bola, Papa. Are you not tired of calling Papa? Let your children call you Mama for once. You have suffered me enough. Ngafana tumaka, the Konya Cameron Nagalo, the Konya Cameron, Papa Mudana, hey, Papa Wapana, I hang up on everywhere I go.
You don't even know why.
Why are you calling me if not to ask for money? Ask for money, you are met they come out to get boyfriends where you give them money. Your own give wrong with them for offering. On your go yard to Babagaka. Not Papa. What is it?
Anyway, my husband to be is coming to see you today.
Go pass it. Wait a minute. Did it just fall out of your mouth or you are serious?
I'm serious.
You have finally found a husband.
Bam.
That will marry you.
That will marry me now. Papa.
Hey!
See him, man. He's so handsome.
Oh, the handsome. You have not focused on handsome. You will not focus on his character. Who is he? Where is he coming from? What does he have? If really handsome, no, he got 2 days now. Handsome, get where he eats where he's now ugly. Forget handsome. Where is he from?
He's from
Umuchunga. Hey! Umuchu, they have always made a good husband. I have always dreamed to have an in-law from Umuchu.
Papa, he's on his own. You see?
Eh? Bute no tell him na ko bute. Elebe nwa ya no. Mangozi. Negeri ko no pa dia no ndo ko ma tell na no na ndure. They carry motor there.
They are here.
Hey. Why get more? Hey. Why they come? Let me get something inside. Papa Chineke onye nyere no mo ngozi eruwo baka. You again? You again? Blood of Jesus. Is that your father?
He's my father. What happened?
Do you know him?
Papa, what's the problem?
Hey! Is he alive? Wait, is this your father?
He's my father.
Oh, now I'm bagging.
Mpam.
Over my dead body. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Cynthia.
Sir?
Is this the supposed
Biko, please respect me, Biko. Because I came to marry your daughter. Respect me, Biko.
You came to marry who?
Your daughter.
I think your mother. You came to marry who?
Wait, hold on. Your father be your uncle. Can you?
I am your ancestor. I am the killer of you. I'm going to go buy you in this.
Wait, I am every time you go show me your father. You will not show me your father.
Why would he show you her father? You, who is your father? Because anybody that gave birth to you, everybody will tell you,
Mr. Man, listen. Mind the way you talk to me. Mind the way you talk to me.
Who are you that I'm not talking to?
My father.
And then,
you marry this man who is a problem to my life.
oh yes, and you came in, you want to marry my daughter. Over my dead body, will you marry my daughter?
And over my dead body, will I marry your daughter?
And over my dead body will I marry you?
What is going on here? Your papa is going on. Nenegi is going on. Nanagi is going on. So you follow this he-goat to my house to come and marry my precious daughter.
Okay,
You
respect
follow this he-goat to
Respect yourself.
compound.
Do you know me
Respect
from
who
somewhere?
are you?
And then, do you know me from somewhere?
Who are you? Why would I know you?
Why are you shouting?
Must I know you? Why wouldn't I shout? Out of all the men in the whole world, and you look for somebody you will follow to somewhere to marry a precious daughter of a precious man. Yeah, will this he-goat bingo? Ori hajirajo. What can I mark on a
Onwagi with Ajuraju now. Yes, now Onwagi with Ajuraju.
Get out of
Onwagi can marry.
Out of this.
Not so.
Get out of my house.
You can help us to marry your daughter.
The point you need help.
You
go back age.
You say, what? You don't manage. Eh?
I don't blame you. Like father, like daughter.
Like friend, like friend.
Because that I
Come on, get out of this place.
Marry your daughter.
Idiot of no comparison. Industry. Look at your handsome. He's very handsome. If you see him, I don't see him. God don't punish me. Actually, I don't see him. As big as you are. Every money I spent on you is just a waste. The other time, I saw you go carry on issue. It's on a glass all the time. I never knew he was blind. Here we are, we see. On your guinea and ball on your game, I got you did. Can't for one day your trap catch you come one.
But he said I should not look at money, I should look at love. It's because of love.
Yeah. You should not look at money. You should look at love. So out of all the men, they who got love, who they walk about, workaholic men. Huh? It is ever give you love.
A man don't I like you.
Man, I like Hawaii. Jabi wogo. Opini gwe bottom go. Come again, Lonya, again, walk here. Makachine Kremuna now. You say, come again, Lord, this kind of man. You will rot in here. Give water. But the guy says, sister, and guy, give job. I'm not talking. Look at what you want to bring. What is it that I can not buy? She digging up. He got a new digger. A tigger as in the zero. Stay here. Husband will come back at the deep walk. You are not the only person who married. You can only regard you whether you are married or not. Over here, you disturb yourself enough. Stay here. Come speaking on yours. Has he done anything to you before? Hey! Look at our Gana. Here can make him again. I never come. I call from back up and the gas room for you. I got your piece of fish. Get his head. I want to get a movie. You're going to get a movie. I want to hear to you. Look at a movie. I'm carrying you from a mom and we got wash. That night I would have gone to toilet. You put mom in one. I know you tend job. Look at what you attracted. Sugar boy, you got 30. I must follow you until eternity. Ah, what are you? One house of me. Ibra go. I promise to pay them gelu. Idiot. Cho, anya, cho, ya, ayahudia. Look, I did look for that. I know see ya. Cho, aya, cho, ayahudia. Cho na window, ya, aya, cho, ayahudia. Cho, aya, cho. Okay, cho. Give me food. What go food? We go food. Go food. If one could be good food. I want that go food. I want you logo no food. Look what you talking about. I want him to get what I look for. Is this because I want to let him see to get what's that. You need an I want to put you every day because in the Madagola. People don't finish. You put you 2 hook. Get Patagonet, get on the get on your logo, get to attend to I toy. You're not going down. Now run a phone. I don't got nothing to tell me. Naga, who more than you lip channel. I would have met. Oh, you're going to get about. And you walk and pay. And you walk at the mercy. I don't know. What you can damus. I'm a Maniagra school, Maniagra primary, gas secondary, Guy University. What they can travel, Maniagra upon an airport to deport Tom, and we are going here. Oh, come where when the papi won't walk a letter when not at school and walk up your mark. What can I do? Do what do you? I hope that what do you walk home? Walk 1 year, 1 car. Okay, change the katamoto. And that's okay. Or Ejimoto Brega Bagara. Ojimote more. Every motor patrano on our but the game and I saw wooden Dutch channel. Oh, yeah, my father moto too. Yes, so? Oh, yeah, my father moto. I say thank you for him. No, Bruliana Macau, no, on new lady. No, my father, I cannot hear like too much. You too lie, you talk too much. I should not family on give Pataho brush. It was women minute and met a pogash. I shake a low one on a family on take and paga to the trash, Pagamacos to the dash, Mago Tato, and then nego Tato, or Prannego Canan name annual take on young improvement. Tato, family no to Ralanash. Why didn't you? Monday or Badia Bulemiana Mataka, Omotaku, Yabi Bigamut. Call him. Call him out. Good Lua boy, one word to no just. No, I compare with Lua boy. I compare with Lua boy. So they cannot Lua one. Of course, so she can do that. That's call him what do you know? Hey, what do you do? And my son Elia. Again, you shall get what gang go connect. eyi be the date sageli and here be pray and na jo gbakam gaga say ni nwoke si atishi aka n'obi because nkwati kwere be gbolo onwe na akwaledo na ya na de jekwe nwoke gbachiri ike ya he's hustled, he tried, he did everything he's supposed to do to make sure.
That 91 years.
91 years of this.
91 years.
Muna gonna abo that really
because you get already 91 years.
Yes.
Asem so ota should 91 years. So we can go
Geru 91 cafe.
Mba.
Chief Philip Okraf in Macapella Minian. How we am na baptism. Ogologo ndụ obi tan all because of ụmụazụ ọmụrụ nyere ya peace of mind because ịmụta ụmụzizi homa ha nye gị peace of mind nwunye gị enye gị peace of mind atụkọta ya wuru peace of mind.
Thank you.
Gị nwezi long
nwunye gị enye gị peace of mind. Nwa gị ndị abụọ na-enye gị peace of mind.
Nwa ka ha na-enye mụ na nwa m ejigwala m aka m ekere m pụta ụwa m nwere peace of mind. Hey! Nkwachi kwere nna m nwoke nwa.
Eche m etila date because the same information you were ka m nwekwa. Ebe a na-eti bete that means mụ na gị nọ on the same lane. Anọ na the same ship.
Ụmụ ya isi ga-eti date agada ha agba m. Ka ụzọ ụmụ ya dị almost 20 something.
Yes.
Grandchildren almost 23 to thereabout. Ka a ga-eti date agada ọgba m nwa ka a ga-ebu ụzọ jọm chifi imo na-esi date. Mfe ha tiine. Ife elie maka onye amara na baptizim. Ọ bịara ya ozi ewozu m. Wozu Philip. Eto ke na aga ka abali tie je lu gba gi kelie ka nkata odi an. Nga oli ihe furu gbe bogie. Biko na onye wula gekwa ntigre o chief Philip Okraf nna m onwo no. Esha ole tigre date ama abịakwa gwa hu nu. Ihe ngaju gba ka nga gwa dem mess. Si ya ji aka n'obi. Onwo ụgwọ onye ọbụla ji date is invitable. Ọ bụ invitation. Thank you.